Kumasi Tamalina Fe Takrade DBS. Yeah, any roof expert no. Yanko dance man last stop. Na yanko fa Vida. Hello Vida.
Good afternoon, brother.
Hey Vida, voice they said they want for me there. For him shim kakana de oye there. Sister Vida boko there. Bibia boko. Fine. Yeah, the nyame ase pacho ye too.
Saturday na ye me husband birthday.
Okay.
I had my colleague you. The penny Steven Syria.
Okay.
The catcher young concert on Sirano no yannick. The Busiani me Lloyd and Steven Jr. Yes, I had a mere so that's Papa Canada as you.
Okay.
I mean, Sirano no man in Quatinsia, a holding will go into a brother, and the baby I own ya no award. I'm a year full of my lady. Amen.
Amen. And that's the power. 11 more minutes to hit 4 on 106.3 FM. Then trust we have for our next caller. Original Spinkters, what baby? Hello, James. Uh-oh. Yeah, James, I'd say. James, now Spinkters are in for now. Just a pro-quary and into Fred and Yamias. Oh, okay. Kutubabi, yeah. I've seen that place. Okay, all right. That's it. Very, very important.
Yeah. And when you be here, so they have to family. Good.
And that's on council. 10 more minutes to 4. Yeah, to check us here from our Guaranteed Trust Bank Ghana Limited, 20 from GT Bank, the most innovative and technology advanced bank. The Jan Nassau. Say Prim. Or say Bomadia. So on the beddings I was and they star 737 has service no cost than day. Put me linking with your mobile money wallet for easy transfers. Be out to one time let them convenient banking, simple banking for every Ghanaian. 81 brand and beddings I was and they only account with that scrana. Wait me about the baby account amount zero balance account. Kita sikabi you baby account amount straight. And they mobile phone so wow crowd to me channel what be our account also. Yes. Star 737 hash. What they follow promptness I'll bet me a new account also. And yes, you Guaranteed Trust Bank. Shouldn't you rather bank with us? Yanko Agomenya. Yanko Fa Agomenya Cornerstone aka ACS. See?
Yes.
Agomenya. Stone.
I want you to say.
Nyami de acha me aneso. Me want den say
bi. So dey acha wan you ska, ana ska.
Dabi kapre.
Ye do bo ade na se. Ene wi me do bo ade na se. O hwe so pa. Bamba o de abo me ni me busia o ban ene masafo ma. Me di friend me sa be me nyile mo so no. An wode da so cho. Bibi me ton kan me ni age.
Amen. See? Agomenya.
And what am I so? That's the kind of it. On phone, no man from one patch of
so, Matty, mega sure. You, Matty. And one more picking corner. Move from me, Agomenya corners to where? Move from no friend. Move from the patch of information. Assembly secret mu de si onkronkra mama wo so wo person tini nyina de adomonline.com. Yes, adomonline.com. E ona akwa benya info ni na credible information, authentic news. adomonline.com. E ona benya hot audios ni videos ni pictures ni ade nyina de free. For information be on here there. Manenye adomonline.com. Sans no bit me follow on Twitter at Adom1063FM, on Instagram at Adom1063FM, on Facebook on Adom106.3 FM. Yes, baby, I need your gumza. Yanko, Equiapim, Yanko fa catching. Yama catch that one, no. Na Equiapim, if I know you catch it.
Yay!
Kache, I'm for potting now, Jay.
Pray, the
Obosumasi, yo. Now, on train.
You hear them, Papa,
oh, yes, you papa.
Now, what is the medium we are apart?
Are they?
Bete, Nahini, Sumahini, and I watch him go feed away soon.
But now, that young Cassanso, and shut down Papa Biasa, sports World Cup, and I didn't know how you be your.
Okay.
You. I just said, what Bogaka crown?
What's it?
What Bogaka cra?
Namini can have no Kumasi. About Kumasi. Why are you?
Catch out of every good for patriotic.
You, the master will nearly walk to the West India. Make a chance for me that you for coming back to Yadomasi. Yami, I bring your woman of Bano, de Biara Meko, Mitraka Mokoba de Biara, and Nesuma Sanquaba. My Caboni Biato to be to go to Bisua. Yamin will some to Connie, and a home to Papa, and when you come de Biara and Nesuma Sanquaba with dear, within your yes to Papa, my meaning your yes to Mawan Casa, and it was super home by and never tell you they can see us to dear, but then your miatin. My meaning your yes to Mammy Mba. Richard, Cephas, Jeremiah, and the Princilla. Some of phrase, which you were different to Musonia this year, Papa. Yaminka, no more who by you. Now, when you make your 106.3, I'm a child of Franka Navy, Nimka child of Congo, Mr. Saw Demano. Yari, yo, people would show. So, which I go and watch Yanamami. Why? You, man, is up a pepe. Why? 5 more minutes to 4. If I try say na when you are bushiano, Mumpum de won no be to original na so ye no. Yeah, you should lele sunflower oil, never your cooking, fa prepare stew new bibia, fire chichin na all your friends ni na. Menye lele sunflower oil why? And the crab vitamin A ne contain omega 3 so. Come pa. Your family will enjoy dishes prepared with Lily sunflower oil. Lily sunflower oil are available in convenient sizes. And so a size suitable for all pockets. All leading supermarkets and local community shops are doing in Lily. Tasty food, happy family. Yanko Japan Motors. Nanko fa Alasan. Hello Alasan.
Hello Jerry.
Mini aboko there.
Adom.
Nice. Me pacho. Me so me hoye pa etiu.
Ni tia kwa me obade enso.
Obade da wase waje oso.
Oh, me de rade ase se me da so ti ase. Na boni bia nka me.
Great.
Me de tia nso ma me sister pore na ene bra Michael. Oh mo de nsusu. Na me nka omo.
Amen. Yeah, that's a power for your call.
Okay.
Your friend of Bapa Jemfua. Eva.
Well, your anchor hold in the storms of life. And the clouds unfold to your wings of light.
Say what?
The strong tide lifts and the cable swing. Well, your anchor drifts all every remain. Well, your anchor hold in the storms of life. When the clouds unfold to your wings of life. When the strong tide lifts and the cable swing. Well, your anchor drifts.
I dare be anyone more a chain. Too much TV entertainment. When you be dear winner, see TV, actually be a cost will be answer koye. Aba, Ubefilia. And on the DSTV. The entertainment the gym will crash from Kosono. Then they DSTV was it all mount an entertainment overload. That is entertainment no abroso. Where Dragumwa a free Saturday till the 31st of July 2018. Multi-choice. I introduce you an 18-day open viewing period. At the money Super Sports channels no. Yeah, you know. More active DSTV customers no. At no extra cost. And into DSTV active customers ebetimi ahwe I enjoy no more access various additional case channels to delight young viewers. Sabre yo mo ama kwan abafie yi. School for no bebi ama kwan dada ebi mu last Friday ya no mo ma. Omo munya mind there cha week we just omo complete gua no mo ama kwan. Jomu ba fie yi. Case channels ni na available. One be hwe filia. Sa open viewing period a part of multi-choice ongoing activities to reward active DSTV and GoTV customers. Loyalty by treating them to an exciting television viewing experience. Yeah, no na content what higher than Omwankasa bouquet now mo so no. So get connected, stay connected, and enjoy the entertainment overload. For further inquiries, phrase 0302-740-540. DSTV, feel every moment. Young cop Badriase, now young for Adom Idrisu. Hello, Adam. Yeah, Adam. Kafra, why? Atiafaso. And Chebia, ya babe him. August Bosumi, Nam Kwaswa, Eba, den. Na Adom Praise 2018. Oh, Masajai. Etetemu. Hashtag near Adom Praise 18. You be him doing you there. Your first was that Emma Yale Money Plus was it for Susu Top. Oh, Madama, you may denis your Mosra Susu shame. A chitaphobia KPI, a Belacqua, proudly Ghanaian, vitamin, a meal on its own. Sanso and a Luzantil tablet, formulated to overcome malaria resistance. Classic no mosquito coil in spray. Ubeda feeling, Big Boss energy drink, Bosseta, Papa's Pizza, taste it, love it. NBF gingival gel, new best friend for your mouth. Polar Ice, your #1 angelic gel. Franco Trading Enterprise, phone Papa Fie, Willet Investment, where genuine land are sold. Afe Calipo, feeling good. Almanac Real Estate. I see you dream it, we build it. Trilidor, Africa strong, burglar proofing, securing your blessing. Securing your blessings. Blessings, and I'm going to say, I feel Tumira, Herbal Research and Clinic. I are Safie. Hey, I don't have him. I didn't know baby as well as no. Let me call Musu Banama Betraso. Okay, I feel my mentor. Escort Security Services. Or say, think safety. Choose Escort Security. Goldman Capital. Financial support. Solid as gold. Dr. Caesar Lina Energy Tea. Now energy drink. Adabrijo away. DBS roofing sheet. Roofing papa VA. Give us power and give us ice. Oh my goodness. Now count on and the day Adom Praise Airbro. Media partners Air Precious TV, Footprint TV, Sunny FM, Sweet Melodies, Spring FM, and powered by the Multimedia Group. Adom Praise. Yeah, baby. Fire last caller. Now, yentie di ono so nam ne yemfa ne close you. Yem from mountains no na yenko abri. Yenko fire nua ata. Ata et say
Boko mini ananza.
Me so me ho ya pa dum anti bibia fine. Udem ene de odem. Ene de odem. Pacho ye ti.
Misra wa udi na ye jerry ana ye jelly.
Chese say de o mind nti zeze no. De obi abeka bia na ma jisu sa. Easy.
Openi anope we made a Yankopon ase.
Good.
Nami mase dani kesiye no. Unsade a weni nasu bi ye mawa esumo obopa.
No crepa.
Ye koda bia ye mpaya ye boni se Yankopon emo ye ho ban na de pa bi nchien. No ma ye ya ho oden. Nanso menyi ni so bia da bom mpaye se adekia Yankopon mewie moda. But on one thing in Yansemu, Onimsa, the chance say we are not the Ache and Quabra ye, Misa. The Dana say, I was a fine zone, Gunesupa. Amen. Now, opening Miss Rewa at this Radia Kitue, the one who Adenta barrier, junction na ye branch kododo wano.
Yeah.
Traffic light akesi na esi hono mo. Bese bosumi echini. Atete sensen from this light ne so a eso chede form. En so nchede cars. Maka ho asem sa SM penimfo bia dwen course ntimetre. Menya fidie kesi de mensre na omuntu ho anamo yesre wenya.
All right.
Obade ba ti mi tuche.
You na dey answer. Obade da wase, obade ate won kanso. 4 minutes after 4. Monkohwe na munye na traffic light mu ana atesen se wona so ana ekire from accident is here na ende. Me pacho Cindy tomato paste. Cindy tomato paste. Tieniye Cindy tomato paste. Debasa. Na o de bon kwan za ma se jari o. Cindy tomato paste. Ye the natural tomatoes and na tree bo ase aye and na ye the nutrients binumu ne ade afrafra mu enti chese tomato paste but ye aduane ye thick heavy pa what is now yes to now buy tum sa awurade na amana ye special na mana ye memorable udi atafrita from sasa Cindy tomato paste chef bia ne choice no I'm offending agro, cause I'm not the Adriania. Obia bedi we say this is a finger licking food. Adriania would we are tafeta from sa and chimuano no. Now way Effie on where this Cindy rice. A brain one we are now for Cindy tomato paste diaba. Ya chese where there. And you come up a chain any other tomato paste be our market. So get the best. Go for Cindy tomato paste. For bulk purchase, for 0540. To form more friend number because they say one will be at 21 copy will be and 2 market ni be slow. It is 0540 101 671. TBM 0540 101 671. Cindy tomato paste. Delicious as always. Ya babetia somewhere di tu on for na wie e wo Ofie Kwanso medie so. Simaka kra bi tem. Mami tu che. Enfama. Badu. Ono Italy eno butu. Amanfo be se na Italy. Mate wonka. Na chese obe touch down in 2 weeks time. That's wonderful. That's beautiful. You better show any nyame for me dress from you. I am thanking the Lord for adding 1 year to my age. Yesterday was my birthday. I'm a bill already. Tema Community 22. Prisla Adofo, aka Mabna. Happy birthday to you. Tema Community 1, Site 17. Around Ammonia Baho. Yama Aodapa, Nyame Onshra na Ontun Kwandem. Wanya Wakuma Swadi Nyama. CK, also to Chama Pa. Easy. Sanso and King Billy. Yesterday was your birthday. King Billy. Tema Community 10. Somebody or try picture net dawa. Was a free picture no. Heavy bar. Champion photographer. King Billy. Tema Community 10. Belated happy birthday to you. Good afternoon, Jerry. How are you doing? Tomorrow, the 17th of July, is Mario's birthday. Please wish him a wonderful, blessed day, and may the good Lord add many, many more years to his age. In the name of the family, that's the Asadu family in Germany. Any Asadu family organ and if you mean Sister Harriet and Chain, or if you Germano never, Etienne. Mario, happy birthday to you in advance. I mean, sure, no count. You be a fine. That's what's up. By Kan Ketsi, Konosua Jewelry Wipes. Ye baba beshe ne asemo edi tu ho fo. E wo dwumedie so. Real quick. Badam bodum dum sta da 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 dun 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 ale bibi ma hey mo de mutu ma yom hihie yo oh ha no mo bawura gidi 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 I don't know esa mo amu hu dada mo san de gidi gidi bawura sa about technical for some who that engineers no. Two home up to Pumzana young washo. From African, right? Do da 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 di. Right, and that's somewhere I did to your home. I want Ofie Kwanso Jumedie S1. Pretty simple. TNE, what Potokasem was some say. To move ahead, you need to believe in yourself. That is one. Have conviction in your beliefs. And you too. And the crack. You should have the confidence to execute those beliefs. They are twice from years and we say ben no betimi apema kon kan wa brabo mu no ese se wutimi nya gidie e wo wankasa mu enipa bi wo mo amunyi om huni enti obi mpo pesen ko boa na mo timi ye bibi no na ate afa so we dey awie somewhere on the Sprinters Road over we na me kwa na mu se ka bi I say wa cross oh ne side wo ba no no face me but I'm so person turning to the other side no okowura yi get to baby ena wa turning is there na ma wa back akrama ne nose kakra ya ba me part of the road but cars na atwam ni na co speed into ontimi cross obi anko ena ojo na flash ne light as obi begina ma no obi anyina ma no timi ya ben no na me so me kita speed pa but na ma hunu from far timi ya ben na me start me mom so me start man light say the be ya obey fast no wa kokra ansem aduo but always be now the man timi say there be one na tiafa so it upon light na me mani na sto ogzu jina e ma me say yi mi sakram so go na sto jina sa ma me ko du na nim pe me jina na ma jina kra ma break completely cry we still on messing ko na fe na oji o fe no be say change jina so masa wani mre one am say tutu na po abdinja one you should have that belief eso utimi ju hudi edu ba bia ugidie so a wontimi nyehwe even omoanedi manim na ompo they were not willing to give him chance to even cross so make the attempt in kakra so kwa obi one of them might have prayed for him to even go but on one kasa na utimi say oye new driver to obohu osro onjini hu ni entinu ontimi nye san obra na aye bonete if you don't believe in yourself one kasa one timi anje hu ani a menua forget it o papa betimi aye odefo ewiase mu asika na betimi aye o papa dia but one kasa no upon the papa be yes o person de boa for you to succeed for you to survive e was asisi no ni nyina a chen say one kasa wanya gidie wo one kasa mu a you still can't make it. You should have that conviction say wo no weni niema bi a wogidie e wa brabo mu eti sei na wo pese wo bo bra no eti saade na wo ye enti amfa ni de obi beka emfa ni de obi beye emfa ni atiti bi abefom challenges ni akwansidie bi abebo akwam it will not change you say ebetimi wa movie afisa kwan na wo pese wo fa so ediduru ba bi a pese wo diduru no de twato esese utimi nya akukuduro se saniema na wo gidie wo mu se me abrabon weni na me ya abrabon anamo se bi na me tuo esa se me gidie wo saade weni na se na me pese me ye no esese utimi nya akukuduro na wo de tuso anamo na wo ye bibi na oni akukuduro ade ya masa enye yie esese utimi nya sa akukuduro no have that confidence in you say ade I can do it if I venture into this I will succeed ampa so be ye no na wafam wo na akọ wanim no na se koba se wanka sa ndigidie wo mu won hweda ni ade bia wa sete de ato se me obra no se ni na me kọ no na I say why atentenro de beba bia na de akire bi because people are doing this so you too want to go and do some. No, you don't do that. You know you stand for this, so that is what you are doing. What others are doing, it is none of your business. Omopa omunye de ombeye bia kosi he dabi where you ani because unim de wo ye e na wo gidie wo wankasa mu e na ne a wo pesa wo ye no wankasa nso kra no wo gitum se ampa sa de ne de dimu a wo pesa wo ye enye de afoforo bi ye na fe wo de wakokudu atai de wo pesa wo ye na chi watu so anamo wawie obekọ wanim ti hye no so pa se ansana obetimi atoma konkan akọ wanim no so otimi nya gidie e wo ne wo ye mu wankasa mu na ne wo ye bia no wankasa gitum se weni na opesa wo ye weni na ogidie wo mu enu nti wunya mu enkofa bibi foforo na de ogidie wo mu na wagide atomu no wanya so akukuduro atuso anamo wawi abrabo no yen fe so asedama konosoa jewelry wipes adarma omo na ebo an me etimi tu ye hofo awiawia nkakrakra odwumadie so ene Ofie Kwanso futu na wey wipes oh ye ka wipes a omo awi ne ma no de omo nim wipes pa young girls yi say ya na bi hye omo ne mam tie bi okoba bi no ko use washroom ne kakra ne ade a oyi bia oh no